Hello everyone, I am Sheetal Nagar, faculty in BTech EC department, IIMT group of colleges, Greater Noida. My topic is instruction of 8085 microprocessor. 8085 microprocessor is a 8-bit microprocessor. In 8085 microprocessor, we have 16-bit address bus and 8-bit data bus. The meaning of 8-bit data bus is that 8085 microprocessor will work on 8-bit only. It will process the instructions for 8-bit only. Now, instructions of 8085 microprocessor. An instruction is a binary pattern designed inside a microprocessor to perform specific functions. To program the 8085 microprocessor, we use instructions. First of all, we have to know about the instructions is that this instruction which we are using in our program, it must be 1 byte, 2 byte or 3 byte. Every instruction is of 8 bits only, as 8085 microprocessor is a 8-bit microprocessor. Now, types of instruction in 8085 microprocessor. First one is 1 byte instruction. In 1 byte instruction, we have 8-bit hexadecimal code, operational code for any instruction. For example, HLT, halt. This instruction is used for end of the programming. HLT have its hexadecimal code, that is 76. 76 is a 1 byte hexadecimal code of HLT. 1 byte contains 8 bit. Now, another example of 1 byte instruction, that is MOVRD, MOV stands for move the data, RS stands for source register, RD stands for destination register. Now, the meaning of this instruction is to move the contents of source register into destination register. These both registers are of 8-bit only. In 8085 microprocessor, we have some general purpose registers. These are used for programming. BC, DE, HL. These all general purpose registers are of 8 bits. Now, what is the meaning of this instruction? RD, RS may be any register. RD may be register B, C, D, E, H and L. RS may be any register from general purpose register. Now, how we use this instruction? MOV B, C. Now, MOV B, C. What will perform? Now, contents of register C. For example, in register C, we have 0, 4. And in register B, we have 0, 2. Now, with the help of this instruction, we will move the content, that is 0, 4 into register B. Now, after this instruction, the content of register C will copy or transfer into register B, and the content of register B will be 0, 4. Now, after this instruction, the contents of register B will be 0, 4 and the contents of register C will be 0, 4. Means no change in the contents of register C. This is also a 1 byte instruction because this instruction doesn't have any 8-bit data or any 16-bit address. Now these are two examples of 1 byte instructions. Now next one is 2 byte instruction. Now what is the difference between 1 byte instruction and 2 byte instruction? 2 byte instruction contain always 8-bit data with that kind of operation codes. For example, MVI R, 8-bit. This is a 2 byte instruction. MVI stands for move immediately this 8-bit data into register R. This register R may be any register from general purpose register or accumulator. Now what will happen with the instruction? For example, MVI B, 06H. This H stands for hexadecimal number. Now what will happen after this instruction? 06 8-bit data will move into register B. Now how it is a 2 byte instruction? MVI B, it will have its own 8-bit hexadecimal code and 06 is another byte, means 8-bit 06 will be taken as second byte. Now 3 byte instruction. In the same manner, 3 byte instruction. In the same manner, STA 8004 is the example of 3 byte instruction. In this instruction, we will have the opcode for STA and second byte will be 04 and third byte will be 80. This is our 3 byte instruction. Thank you.